stayed the same horsepower.
Yeah, made another horsepower.
Last week on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, you guys got to see us tear apart a CP4 pump. That pump came off a 13 PowerStroke. We upgraded to a CP4.2. Now, thankfully, we had a 17 plus PowerStroke in the shop, and we just put on our F250 package. These trucks come equipped with that CP4.2 pump. Our main goal is this: we wanted to see if we could get 600 rural horsepower out of this truck while maintaining rail pressure, so you guys know on your earlier PowerStrokes if you can push them that hard. So now let's dive into the EasyLink data and see how hard we push that PowerStroke on the CP4.2 pump and see if it maintained rail pressure. Let's check it out.
Didn't have that dip in it at the end.
Boost pressure, 33 pounds, 50 pounds of back pressure, rail pressure stays up like a champ. Timing still fit, I can't tell any difference. We're flowing 445 grams per second on air. That looks good. Fuel control valve is at 5.9, what did it go, 59%?
So let's take a look at that EasyLink data. We just done our pull, 5th gear, 1900 to 3000 RPMs, everything checked out good. Our actual and desired rail pressure was this, 29,000 being the desired, and our actual fluctuated between 28.5 and 29,000. So the 230 horsepower over factory did exactly what it was supposed to do with the two rail pressures. The pump kept up, so a CP4.2 pump can produce the fuel that we need to make 600 horse. But did we actually make 600 rural horsepower? Well, let's dive into that.
There it is. There it is. What the fuck? What the fuck? We got 70 horsepower to go.
So, as you can tell, I wasn't too happy about the numbers. 534 rural horsepower isn't a bad number, but it's not a great number on a 17 plus PowerStroke. This truck should have done 600 rural horsepower without a question of a doubt, but 530 is what it done. Keep in mind, we'll throw up a video to this link. Our 15-16 trucks have done 550 to 560 on the dyno. So we know they're capable of making more horsepower. The frustrating part is this: you've got a dyno, you put a truck on it, it's supposed to do this. Not everything goes according to plan. We do have a different intake on this truck. The factory one wasn't on it, nor did we start with a 100% factory truck and get a base number and go from there. It may have done 230 over factory, we don't know. So fun part is, we're gonna dive in this truck, check it out, make for sure everything's 100%, go from there, and we'll get another truck on the dyno, 100% factory, and do the same package on it and compare the two. That's the cool part about what we do. We want to give you guys actual real life data and feedback instead of saying, hey, that truck makes 600 horse, see you later, goodbye. We want to know, you want to know. That's the reason why we're doing what we do on the dyno. So I am curious, for the Ford PowerStroke owners, the 17 plus trucks, we want to hear from you. Comment below, tell us, hey, this is what rural horsepower my truck's put down, this is what torque numbers it's put down. Just make for sure, if you give us some crazy number, you can back it up with the dyno sheet. We want to take a look at it. We do want to hear from you guys. We like giving you the real data, what our truck did. We use a Mustang MD 1100, just like today. Sometimes it whoops up on us, but big deal. So what we're here to do is get it on the road, make it make power. Guys, make for sure you like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop us a comment. If you've got a Luma Duty truck, you want to see some more bolt-on mods, you want to see it back on the dyno, definitely drop us a comment. We'll see you next week on the PBP YouTube channel.